That we stood up and made the tough choices that needed to be made to preserve our way of life. You see, I don't know about you, but I don't want my children and grandchildren to read the history book. So this is an American century.
That government exists to protect our rights and serve our interests, and that no one should be tricked.
Every generation will be judged. So will we.